How to make Blynk status online. So if you want to make Blynk status online, then first you need to open up your account and then go to devices, which is on the left side. After that, select the device you want to change status. Once you've selected the device, you need to just go with the developer tools on the device. After that, scroll down until you find the firmware info. Go to the firmware configuration and copy the code from here. After that, go to your Arduino or ESP code and paste the configuration code that you've got from the Blynk. After that, enter your Wi-Fi credentials right here, your Wi-Fi SSID, and then your Wi-Fi password. Then plug your microcontroller, the ESP32 port, and upload the code. After that, wait for some seconds. In some cases, you should click on the boot button on your ESP32 in order to upload the code. And after a few seconds, you can see the status will be changed from offline to online. That's it. That's how you can make your Blynk status online. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.